And here in the control options, I'm gonna pick all these curves and put the control zone and see the structure we have here. I have a 5-degree curve. To do a good blend, they should be. I could reopen my options and I could change this. Okay, let's check this model from the side view so we can check better our blend. And pick this edge and then this edge. In this case, I can pick the curve or the skin. So now we have here, if we go to wireframe mode, we have a curve on surface. Still don't have the closed region. We will have to do the same in this area here. If we do this and go to top view, structure of the original surface, the same here. Simple surfacing and some details in it, some very basic rims. As you can see, well, excuse the design, this is not the best design, and some side mirrors too, and well, very basic. The offset tool to create an offset from that surface. So we, as you can see, I have the surface here, the inner surface of the side mirror, and then you can create the surface here by creating a skin or using the